El Nino is expected to be very strong this winter. This will be the first time in years we'll feel the effects of the phenomenon during the coldest months of the year. El Nino occurs when specific ocean temps are warmer than normal for an extended period of time. According to NOAA, the south could see wetter and cooler weather, while the north becomes drier and warmer. Historically, El Nino leads to milder winters in the Midwest.
So it doesn't mean that we're not going to get snow.
Thank
you. It just
you.
means comparatively a little drier and a little warmer than normal. So we'll still get snow.
So we won't have those raging, absurd temperatures like we did last year.
No, and what was interesting too is that I looked back at the record books at the most recent strong El Ninos, and it's about a 50-50 split though. Most winters there's not as much snow, but you can get those big snowstorms occasionally. So there is the potential for a big snowstorm or two, I think, this winter.
Okay.
But the odds are that it's going to be less snow than normal. So here's the typical El Nino pattern. You can see, again, in our neck of the woods, typically warmer and drier than normal. And there's two jets. There's the polar jet stream here to the north. There's the tropical jet stream to the south, which is why the south gets so much wetter. I want to show you what we're looking at already right now, the jet stream currently, and this is why September has been so dry. The jet stream is already kind of setting up in this El Nino pattern where it goes up into Canada, and it keeps most of the Midwest in the really warm air. Now, I will say it's going to keep us dry because it's taking any of that rain and kicking it to the north. There is one exception, though. Look at this area spinning right there. That's the low pressure system that is out to our west. So occasionally you can get a break off from that jet stream, and that's what we're seeing. A very slow moving system going to be going over us over the next few days here. It all is a big, just sloshing bucket of water vapor. So it's kind of fun to see how everything moves about. So this is what's heading for us over the next couple of days. Right now, we're kind of cloudy outside, which is good because we don't have the fog as an issue like it is in Cincinnati, where they have clear skies above them, but that fog is really settling in near the ground. 64 degrees right now. Winds are currently calm. We're going to stay mostly cloudy for the day today. A little bit of sun tries to break through, a couple stray showers, but most of our rain with that next system arrives later tomorrow into Thursday. That'll kick out of here by the weekend. We warm up and we look to get into another warm, dry pattern that's going to stick around for quite a while. So right now we're sitting at 64 degrees here in Columbus. It's cooler in Cincinnati, 56 because they have clear skies, but they're also starting to see that fog really becoming a dense issue for them. 75 for the high today, and we become cloudier into the afternoon. And Futurecast does show the clouds break up a little bit and then a couple spotty showers later into the day. It's just kind of speckling the map. Not expecting any significant rain today, but don't be surprised if you get caught in a quick shower. That could be a bit of an inconvenience if you're trying to run some errands. The winds coming out of the east 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow we start the day dry and a little bit of sun tries to come out, but notice by the evening we got showers and storms developing by Dayton, Cincinnati by 5 o'clock, moving in tomorrow night for us. So most of the day tomorrow is dry, but later into the day, that's going to be our best chance for some scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms. Not likely going to be getting anything severe, but you might have some rumbles of thunder late Wednesday into Thursday. And then, as I mentioned, setting us up for a dry pattern for Saturday, Sunday. We're back up close to 80, mostly sunny, and that pattern rolls on all the way through the middle of next week.